Nujo's project. What is this strange light? What do I see? Hello, I am Nujo from the planet Mars. Hello, I am Shirin. I can't believe my eyes. Are you real? What do you mean real? I had on my school project to study human body parts. I need help. Oh, you too have project. I will help you. I have many charts, models, books and a tablet. These models show human body parts. Now look at me. This is my elbow joint. This is my shoulder joint. I can turn it in. I can move it like this, but not this way. Wow, can you also tell me about other living things on Earth? Nothing simple. I am human body. I have forehead. I have two eyes. I have nose. I have lips. I have teeth. I have chin. I have guns. Cheeks. I have cheeks. I have a shoulder. I have hands. I have a stomach. I have legs. I have toes. I am elephant. I have two big ears. I have two eyes. I have two big toes. I have a long trunk. I am a cow. I have two horns. I have 2 ears. I have 2 eyes. I have a nose. I have a jaws. I am a tiger. I have ear. I have eyes. I have nose. I have whiskers. I have strong teeth. Thank you, friend. Bye. Let's meet again.